By the end of this video, you will know how to sign in to TurboTax account. Start by opening the TurboTax website in your browser. Once the page loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Sign In. This opens the TurboTax sign-in page, where Intuit asks for the account information linked to your profile. Under the section labeled Let's Get You In to TurboTax, enter the phone number, email address, or user ID associated with your Intuit account. Make sure you use the account detail connected to the TurboTax account you want to access. If you have more than one Intuit account, this is the point where selecting the correct one matters. After entering that information, click Sign In. The next screen will ask for your Intuit password. On the Enter Your Intuit Password screen, type your password into the password field, then click Continue. If the password is not accepted, check that you entered the right sign-in detail on the previous screen and that the password matches that same account. In some cases, TurboTax will sign you in after the password step. If Intuit needs to confirm your identity, you will see a screen that says Verify It's You. On that screen, choose one of the verification methods shown. The options may include text a code, call with a code, or verify identity a different way. For this sign-in process, select Text a code. After you choose that option, Intuit will send a verification code to the phone number shown on the screen. Take a moment to confirm that the number displayed is the one you can access before moving ahead. Now check your text messages for the 6-digit verification code from Intuit. Depending on your phone carrier or signal, it may take a few moments for the message to arrive. Once you receive it, return to the TurboTax verification screen. Enter the code in the verification code field exactly as it appears in the text message. Be careful not to add extra spaces or enter an older code if you requested more than one. Only the most recent code will usually work. After entering the code, click Continue. This verifies your identity and completes the sign-in process for TurboTax. If the page takes a moment to load, wait for it to finish and do not refresh unless the site stops responding. Once the verification is accepted, you will be signed in to your TurboTax account and can access your tax information, returns, and account settings from there. You are now signed in to your TurboTax account.